Are you ready to witness the next frontier in space exploration? Let's dive into the future with our high-tech rover and drone duo. High above, a sleek drone hovers, scanning the rocky expanse below. Dust rises gently as it maneuvers, its lasers and sensors painting a vivid picture of the rugged landscape. Down on the ground, our multi-wheeled rover tackles the terrain, its robotic arm extending to examine ancient rock samples. Each move a testament to precision and ingenuity. Together they form an unstoppable team, capturing breathtaking views and uncovering secrets hidden in the alien soil. The drone's aerial perspective complements the rover's detailed ground analysis, creating a symphony of scientific discovery. This is more than a mission. This is humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge and adventure. The vast alien horizon reminds us of the infinite possibilities that await. Join us as we continue to explore the unknown.